This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group. And after the disappointing ISM manufacturing number that we got earlier in the week showing that the economy, the manufacturing sector could be in contraction, the ISM services number that we got this morning disappointed as well. Although it doesn't show in contraction yet, the number of 52 and change was far less than expected and a three-year low. The market sold off huge. S&Ps were down another 35 to 40 points, and then all of a sudden we got a big turnaround kind of late morning and really turned the market from another big down day into a positive. Reason being behind that is because based on the lackluster economic numbers we've been seeing, the FedWatch tool, the CME FedWatch tool, is now pricing in a 90% probability that the Fed is going to lower rates again in their meeting in October. The market liked that a lot. That was the cause of the turnaround. We'll see if that holds tomorrow as we get the all-important jobs number tomorrow morning. That's really what the market is going to be hinging on overnight tonight. Now, yesterday, extremely busy day here at CME and E-mini options. 1.4 million contracts traded, 70% on the put side. What's unbelievable is the June 2900 going out to June traded almost 30,000 contracts. The June 3000 puts, 27,300 of those traded. Going out to January, the end of month January 2500 puts, 15,500 of those traded, and also on the leaderboard end of week one, so this week October 2800 puts, traded almost 13,000 of those. So all of the leaders on the put side. Market volatility, even though it's down today, it's still very elevated. So the E-mini market, option market, is pricing in a move just to the end of the day tomorrow of about 26 points, going out all the way to next Friday, 65 points. That's where vol is standing right now. Earlier this morning on the market sell-off, we almost hit all the way down to the all-important 200-day moving average in the S&P at 2835. Didn't quite get there, and then the market rallied all afternoon and going into the close. Bitcoin, well, after a couple very wild weeks here, Bitcoin has been a little bit muted. We've seen it trade in a tight range between about 8,100 and 8,400 or so. After the dip last week on the big, fall that we saw down to major support at 7,600, we've seen Bitcoin hold above 8,000 here. Now, some are looking at Bitcoin as that risk-on type of trade. We'll have to see what happens there. The big number tomorrow, the unemployment number, could affect not just the overall equity market, but also maybe look for a move in Bitcoin as well. This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.